Puppies. Hey, sugars. Will you turn on that overhead light, honey? There you go. Puppies. What are you doing? Psst. Don't do that. Don't you chew on that. Psst, 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 psst. Little Mr. Attitude. Let me get over there. Let me get you some of that. Let me get you some of that attitude. There's some of that attitude, huh? Some of that attitude, huh? Yeah. Yeah, who's got attitude? Yeah, you do. You do, huh? Hey, sugars. All the sugars. Hey, pretty girl. This is my baby girl. This is my baby girl. This is my baby girl. Yeah. Yeah, hey, big girl. Yeah. Hey, mama. Here's our brindle girl. She's still available. Very beautiful girl. Very beautiful. I almost kept her. But the black female is just a touch bigger. Hey, sugars. Little baby faces. Ah, ah, ah. Don't you be licking. Don't you be licking. Don't you be licking. Don't you be instigating licking. Don't you be doing it. Messing with daddy. You can see she's got really great form, this brindle female here. Looking real nice. Real nice. Preacher, no, you're fine. And this guy here, he's available too. He's a real pretty boy. Aren't you? Aren't you a pretty boy? Yes, you are. 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 Oh, brindle girl, I know. Yes, you're a sweetheart too. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Preacher, Cashmere, really? Hey, good girl. He's a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Get down. Get down.
She's trying to take on the queen. You're a good boy.
Go.
You're a good boy. Look at that. She is nice. That brindle female, man. Oh, look at that. There they go. What are you fighting over? Huh? What are you fighting over? What are you mad about? What are you mad about? Hey, sugars. Hey, sugars. Yes, I love you too. I love you too. Oh, jealous. Who's a jealous girl? He's a jealous girl. Cutie patooties. Dude, I didn't even see you move. You like got up and I didn't even see you. Big red. Who's a big red? Who's a big red? Big red. He's a cutie. Who's a cutie? He's a cutie. He's a cutie. He's a cutie. He's a cutie. Oh, there she is. She's ready to fight. She says, Mama, I know you're mine. She knows she's staying here. She knows, she knows.
She looks like a little elf.
He is so pretty. You're so pretty. You know that? You're so pretty. What a good boy you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. What a good boy. What a good boy you are, Big Red. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Oh, huh? I know, right? She's like jumping all over. Jumping all. Don't you bite me. Don't you bite me.
You trying to get your shoe?
Yep. Big Red. I wonder what they're going to call him. He's going all the way to Canada. All the way to Canada. Let me get around you real quick. all the way to Canada. Yeah, very good looking dog right there. Very good looking dog. No wasted space on him at all, man. He's gonna be very muscular, very toned. Not your Neo Mastiff build where they have that soft muscle tone. This guy's gonna be built. Gonna look real nice. Her too, man. She is just real tight. Preacher, be quiet. Very good looking dogs, if I do say so myself. Hey, cutie.